showing you the lounge. Here, the common area, and that is the bar. Wow. And the picture is yellow lights. Here is white. Here's the bar, and there's coffee machine, water, some sweet muffin, cakes, bread, cheese, peanut, different sauces. Hey, we're going to see the main section. There's like a butter chicken and chicken pea curry with rice, and then there's some sauces, and they look like a chow mein and roast veggies. There's the bar, there's different drinks. There's coffee, tea, beer to 2 a.m. and there's the salad session, and there's take home chips. Here I think is the shower room. Yeah. Oh, there's 2 shower room and toilet. Yeah. That's me. Yep, that's all. Okay, I need a drink. I need a drink. Wine list. There's like 5 different white wine options. And there's 2 sparkling wine options as well. So most people are getting drinks here. Just the downside is the lighting is white. It's like a hospital. Yeah, there you go. Pretty spacious. Remember your safety. Harry, what do you think about the food and drinks? Yeah.
It's functional.
How will you rate from 1 to 10?
3.
That's quite high. The options are not like enough as well.
It's not very warm. It's not very fresh.
Wow.
Very tasty, but it's functional. It's free food.
Yeah. What about the lighting?
Lighting feels like a hospital canteen or a lab clinic, like a laboratory. It's very white in here, so it's not very appetizing. Sort of food.
What about the drinks? You only had
It's
Coca-Cola.
amazing Coke.
Oh yeah.
Original Coke. Never go wrong.
Yes. Yeah, I got the Elfin cocktails. Hey, you can have a sip. Sip, 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 sip. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Only the alcohol is good, but the food is not good.
You can actually get the Savannah Dry cider from South Africa, is it? Yeah, from South Africa as well. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment for the Not Easy channel.